Hi, we are Cindy and Eddie.
And this is Squeeze the Day.
In our last video, we went to Circle B Bar Reserve with some family. We went on a really awesome hike with Chuck, Lisa, Cole, and Ruby and had an amazing view. We also enjoyed a lot of the wildlife and we finally got an opportunity to find the elusive alligator.
We are on our way to the Orlando Science Center.
And we're taking you along with us. So let's go check it out.
We had Charlotte, Nate, Elissa, and Amelia with us. You might remember them from a previous video when we were visiting a lighthouse. You can see the link in the description below.
This is the walkway from the parking garage to the entrance. Right now they are taking all sorts of precautions, including temperature checks.
A list of prices and the daily events right here for you. As soon as you arrive, make sure you look up and see Science at Work.
You can see it down there, there's turtles. And that goes all the way up.
They do have an elevator that's available for anybody to use, but we decided to start on the top floor and work our way down.
We decided we're going to start off with the dinosaur digs because it's the top floor and they're dinosaurs. Those are awesome. And of course, you can't miss that. Even that shot doesn't really do justice on the size of this thing. But, yeah. Pretty awesome. I don't even know what that thing is, but it's got spikes on its head. That's what it says it is. I can't pronounce that. That's one of my favorites, Triceratops.
The kids absolutely love the idea that they could push a button, find out a little bit of information about this dinosaur, and watch it move. Here we have another opportunity for interaction with the dinosaurs. Check it out.
Big as the girls are.
You can really see their imaginations at work here. There are so many different ways for these children to be able to expand their minds and use their imaginations. They have little projects, educational scenes, and some computer-generated projects too.
Big news in Orlando, it's snowing. Let's check in with our weather expert live right now at the Orlando Science Center. Take it away.
One of the things we really enjoyed doing here was practicing being weather forecasters. We each got an opportunity to say something about the weather and what was going on. Unfortunately, the audio didn't pick it up very well, but it was still fun.
Good job, and thanks for visiting the Severe Weather Center 9 experience right here at the Orlando Science Center.
We also had a chance to make some paper airplanes and do a little bit of a test launch with them. Check this out.
Hey, here we go. Whoa, look at that. Okay. Get this one more time. Go ahead. Ooh.
The Science Center did a really good job making science fun and educational.
We have two different activities for you today. We have cartography, and then we also have paper plants.
Watch as these young scientists work together to build a paper flower. Check out these 3D printed objects. That's one thing I love about science is we continue to discover and find new things that are just more and more impressive, and this is awesome. You can really tell how much fun everybody was having, and wouldn't you know it, this wasn't their first visit. This is actually a return visit, and they were excited about the things that they were about to do, and were trying to pull us along with them to go and do those things too. And there were all kinds of activities, from flying rockets to driving cars. Of course it was all digital, it wasn't real, but it was pretty entertaining for them.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm shocking you. Is it shocking you?
Yeah. Don't you feel it?
Oh, that hurt!
This is my favorite right here.
The main one that's glowing, it follows your hair.
Good job.
We're having so much fun, but now it's time to go get some food. And on the way, we're going to stop by the souvenir shop and check out the aquarium. There were a lot of turtles, and that one just went for a swim. Would you believe who we ran into when we went to the cafeteria?
Thank you for joining us. We hope everybody enjoyed. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you can continue to follow us.
And as always, squeeze the day and be well.
We have trouble brewing in the tropics. Let's go right over to our weather expert standing by at the Orlando Science Center. You're on the air.
A tropical storm is developing widely. Lots of rain fall and the roads are blocked. Watch that tropical storm very carefully for the next couple of days. There is a forecast by tomorrow including one hurricane winds 75 miles per hour just west of Florida and forecast rain winds right in the central
Great job.